Let us step into a world where words try to capture the incomparable, the divine beauty of Krishna. Through the mesmerizing Kriti Ati Nirupama Sundara, Oothukadu Venkata Kavi celebrates Krishna, whose charm transcends anything we can imagine or compare. Krishna is called Ati Nirupama Sundara, meaning his beauty is unmatched, beyond the standards of this world. But this isn't just about his physical appearance. His beauty lies in the radiance of his divine aura, the boundless love he shares with his devotees, and the grace with which he performs his heroic deeds. Venkatakavi's poetic brilliance paints a vivid picture. Krishna's every movement, every smile enchants the universe. His handsomeness is both external, reflected in his playful nature, and internal, symbolized by his compassion, his grace, and his role as the protector of all. Through this Kriti, we are reminded that Krishna's allure is not just in how he looks, but in the way he makes hearts flutter, how he reassures his devotees with his presence. With that, let us immerse ourselves in this celebration of Krishna's boundless beauty. Please join me in welcoming the dancers to bring this divine vision to life.
నిద